Hello, I am Dr. D.D. Sawant from J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon District, Nashik, from Department of Geography. Today's topic, which I have selected, that is a ecological pyramid. As we look into the nature and pathway of transfer of energy through different trophic stages, as we say levels, and total biomass at each trophic level, we find certain common characteristics. For example, number one, that is the number of species tends to decline successively from the basis of the trophic level to the top of the trophic level. Second one, that is the total biomass tends to decrease progressively from the base of the trophic level through successive higher trophic levels to the top. Number third one, that is the energy availability at each successive higher trophic levels decreases. Thus, it is obvious that number of species, the total biomass, and energy availability decrease with successive higher trophic levels in the food chain in such a way that the shape becomes like a pyramid. This is called ecological pyramid. There are three types of ecological pyramids. For example, number one, that is the pyramids of numbers. Second one, that is biomass pyramid, and third one, that is energy pyramid. The trophic level, if you see that trophic level is the position of an organisms it occupies. The number one, that is tertiary consumers. Number two, secondary consumers. Primary consumers from uh, first of all we will see the first, that is a producers, next one, that is primary consumers, secondary consumer, like this way, and third one, that is a tertiary consumers. Energy flow in different trophic levels, as in this diagram. The first trophic level, that is a producers, means that, for example, which is called as a plants, and these are the producers. Second one, that is the herbivores, these are the primary consumers. Third trophic level, that is those are known as the carnivorous. This is the secondary consumers, second layer. And number third one, that is a fourth one, that is a top carnivorous. This is the fourth trophic level, that is a tertiary consumers. So, as a ecological pyramid, an ecological pyramid is a geographical representation of trophic level in the given ecosystem. In this pyramids of number, ecological pyramid, pyramid of energy, and second one, that is of a ecological pyramid, is a pyramid of biomass. So, as a number one, that is the number pyramid. Number pyramid include only the numbers of species and not their sizes. E. Hilton in 1927, he has pointed out that the animals at the base of food chain are relatively abundant, while those at the end are relatively few in number, and there is a progressive decrease in between the two extremes. Thus, the pyramid of number means progressive decrease in the number of species with successive higher trophic level. On an average, the primary producers or the heterotrophic green plants are small in size but very large in number at the base of the pyramid, uh, which are representing as a trophic level first, because these have to provide food to the animals of trophic level 2, while are smaller in number as than the plants at trophic level 1, but larger in size. Similarly, the number of animals at trophic level 3 is smaller than the number of animals at trophic level 2, but the size of animals becomes larger at trophic level 3 than at trophic level 2, and so on. For example, if a cow, it means the primary consumer at trophic level 2, feeds on grass. So, hence the primary producer at trophic level 1, there must be numerous blades of grass to feed and support one cow. In the forest ecosystem, the situation is reversed because the primary producers, means the trees, are very large in size at the base of trophic level, which is a trophic level 1. In such cases, the single large tree is capable of supporting a large number of primary consumer animals, means those are herbivorous animals at trophic level 2. With the result, the pyramid of number becomes tapering at the base of trophic level due to small number of plants, and most extensive at trophic level 2 due to large number of herbivorous animals. But thereafter the pyramid assumes its normal shape, narrow upward, and hence if a food chain represents primary producers of very large size, means the trees at trophic level 1, and parasites and hyperparasites at trophic level 2 and 3 as primary and secondary consumers respectively. Thus, the resultant pyramid is inverted pyramid because one single primary produces tree, means for example tree can support numerous primary consumers as the parasites and secondary consumers as the hyperparasites. Though the pyramids of number of species help in the comparative study of the diversity of the structure and food chains and food webs of different ecosystems. For example, forest ecosystem, marine ecosystem, river ecosystem, lake ecosystem, etc. But these do not give any idea about the total biomass, total weight of living organisms, because pyramids of number consider only the number of organisms and not the size of the organisms. So this is the diagram which is of the pyramid of biomass. As a pyramid of biomass include the biomass, means the total weight of organic matter of each trophic level instead of number of species as is done in the case of pyramid of numbers. Thus, the total weight of whole organic matter at each trophic level represents the standing crop at a single point in time. This enables the pyramid to assume its natural shape, that is, broad base. Biomass pyramid does not give any idea of the rate of ecological ecosystem production. Pyramid of energy. C. Elton in 1927 suggested to construct a pyramid of energy to have an idea of ecological productivity. The energy pyramid is constructed thus on the basis of total amount of energy used at each trophic level per unit area per unit time. The total amount of energy used is generally expressed in kilocalories per square meter per day or per year. And hence, the energy pyramid helps in the comparative study of the productivities of different ecosystems. Thank you. Thank you very much.